Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Educare. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. In this channel, science and mathematics videos are available. In this month, how many days are there? Yes, in this video, we will move to discuss about in any month 30 days are there or 31 days are there. Any month has 30 days or 31 days. How can we easily identify in any time and any place without using mobile calendar this type? Okay? How can we identify easily? See this video completely. Do not skip it. You can understood how can we identify this month has 30 days, 31 days easily. Okay? Consider this is left hand. See this upper part indicate 31 days, lower part indicate 30 days. Consider January 31. February we all learn now that it is 28 days. March is also 31 days. April 30 days. May 31 days. June 30 days. July 31 days. Again August is also 31 days. September 30 days. October 31 days. November 30 days. December is also 31 days. Understood? See, write it. January 31 days. February, that is lower part. Already we are now that February is 28 days. So 28 days. March upper part, that is 31 days. April lower part, 30 days. May upper part, 31 days. June upper part, lower part, so 30 days. July upper part, so 31 days. August is also upper part, so it is also 31 days. September lower part, so it is 30 days. October upper part, so it is 31 days. And November lower part, so it is 30 days. And December upper part, it is 31 days. This type we easily identify any month is 30 days or 31 days. Okay.